Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about power factor corrections. In last two video we discussed about what is power factor, then disadvantages of power factor, then power factor improvement methods. In this video we are going to see about power factor corrections. What is power factor correction? Power factor correction is nothing but improving the power factor from load to nearer to unity. We cannot improve the power factor exact to unity. We are improving the power factor nearer to unity. In this picture you can clearly understand this is a power triangle. From this, P is the active power. The P is the active power taken by this induction motor. Then phi 1 is the angle of displacement. Then Q1 is the reactive power of the induction motor before power factor correction. Then after correction, after adding this capacitor having a kVAR of QC, this capacitor having a reactive power of QC, after adding this reactive power, then we are getting a displacement of phi 2 and the reactive power of Q2 after the power factor correction. From this we can clearly understand the power factor of the system is improved after adding the capacitor parallel to the induction motor. From this way we are improving the power factor from load to nearer to unity. This how to find. Next I will explain one example how to find the reactive power, what amount of reactive power we want to connect it parallel to the load in order to achieve our decided power factor. I am explaining a small example. A 3-phase induction motor having a 3 kilowatt having a power factor of 0.75 lagging. Then we are going to improve that 0.75 to the 0.9 lagging. What is the size of the capacitor in kVAR? It's a very simple. Just follow this step. You can find the size of the capacitor in kVAR. Motor input is equal to 3 kilowatt. From the table multiplier to improve the power factor from 0.75 to 0.9 is 0.398. There is a standard table of factor K is available. From this table we can pick the value, and using the formula we can find the exact kVAR of the required capacitor. I will show the table in next slide. Just follow this step. Then the required capacitor kVAR is equal to kW into the table multiplier. That is, we are picking the multiplier from the table is 0.398. 3 kilowatt into 0.38 we are getting 1.194 kVAR. This is the exact kVAR kVAR of capacitor bank, which is we are going to connect it parallel to the induction motor in order to achieve our power factor 0.9 from 0.75. This is the standard table is available. From this you see this initial power factor. From the initial power factor is they are given 0.75. The final power factor we are given. Final power factor is 0.9. So we need a K of 0.398. This value only we are substituting in the formula kW into the power factor, the factor K, that is from the table we are picking. Suppose if the power factor is 0.6, then we are going to improve the power factor to 0.9, means you take this value 0.849. Like that you want to pick the factor K, then substitute in the formula, then you get the exact kVAR of the bank. Exact kVAR in order to achieve the decided power factor. Without using this table also we can find the kVAR. That I will explain in this. Just follow this step. The motor input we know that 3 kilowatt. So the original PF is 0.75. The final PF we need is 0.9. From this we are going to find theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to cos inverse of 0.75. Theta 2 is equal to cos inverse of 0.90. From this value we are going to find tan theta 1 and tan theta 2. Tan theta 1 of this answer, that is 41 degree 0.41. Then tan theta 2 of 25 degree 0.84. From this we are getting this value. Then we are going to substitute in the formula. Formula is P into tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. The required kVAR is equal to P into tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. Then you are substituting these values. We know that the power P is 3 kilowatt. Then tan theta 1 is 0.8819 minus tan theta 2 is 0.4843. Then we are getting 1.194 kVAR. This is the exact kVAR required to improve the power factor from 0.75 to 0.90. Likewise, you can calculate the any power factor which you are going to improve. I think this video will be useful to us. If any question, comment to me. Any doubt, comment me. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Have a nice day.